then the next thing I like to do, I like to have a shirt, I like it to have a little bit of a detail around the sleeves. So I need to go ahead and roll this out, put some cornstarch under it. This time I'm going to roll it a little bit flat. Has to be long enough that it can go all the way from down here all the way to the back. Okay, we can use a ruler, place this on top, and cut here, and then cut right down the middle, and this will be enough for both sleeves. Cut it straight at the bottom and the top. Pick one of these up, bring it right over here. Okay, and then bring it down here at the back, and then cut it at the base. Okay, so there's one. Just adds a bit more detail to the shirt. Finishes off the edges a little bit. And I like to do it right here at the base too, the bottom. So we use this piece. Okay, and then this one we're going to do in two pieces. We're going to start here on this side. And then go on this side. Okay, then I like to take a little, do some little stitching. A little bit of stitching here. Make sure this line looks a little crooked. How come you guys didn't tell me it looks crooked? Hello. Okay, there we go. Good. Okay, so take this little, it's a quilter's tracing wheel, and just go right up the center, just like so. Get some stitching on that shirt. We can go around the collar too, the base of the collar. Over here. And down here. Okay, voila. Okay, now we are actually at the point that we can airbrush this before we do the final decorations. So I'm going to clean this up, get my airbrush, my colors out, and we'll go on from there.